If you want to build a fabulous lead gen machine for your business, then keep watching. In this video, I will show you the 7 tactics that you can use to create your lead generation machine super easily. Businesses using an effective lead generation can see a 55% increase in their sales. And over 80% of marketers believe that lead gen is crucial for success. And also, I will show you how to effectively use lead generation to get more qualified leads and grow your business. So go on, subscribe to this channel for more useful content and let's get started. Lead generation is a great way to collect the contact information of your target audience or leads so that you can convert them into your customers. The more qualified leads that you generate, the easier you can convert them into your customers. You need to engage your visitors with your content and share their contact information with you. And how do you do that? Here are 3 essential ways to engage your visitors and start collecting their emails. First, you can create a Contact Us form, newsletter, create discount offers, and of course, add an interactive chatbot to your website. And next is by creating engaging quizzes and quotation forms. And finally, through lead magnet forms that encourage your users to enter their info in exchange for a discount code, a giveaway, or a very informative PDF file. And now let me show you how easily you can use and customize these forms using Formula. Okay, so let's start with the contact forms and newsletter subscriptions. Open the templates gallery and let's search for Contact Us form. Use the template to make a copy of it in your dashboard. And here, you can see the editor page, and on the left are all the fields that you can add to your form, and you can also delete fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. An easy-to-fill, appealing form encourages more visitors to take action. So here in the Design tab, you can change the look of your form, like change the theme and colors of your form. If you would like to know more about how to customize your form, I've left a video for you to check out in the top right corner of this video. Contact Us forms are great for converting website visitors into leads for several reasons. The first reason being accessibility and convenience, but also for increased conversion rates. By optimizing your contact form and making it visible on strategic pages, you can improve the chances of converting website visitors into leads. To make your form more engaging and include it on all essential pages, embed it into your website as a chatbot or a pop-up widget. You can embed any form as a chatbot or widget, but let me show you this newsletter widget template that you can also customize. So let's search for a newsletter in the search bar of the templates gallery. And let's check this one. Now let's click on preview. By subscribing to your newsletter, visitors are inviting you to stay in touch with them regularly. This allows you to nurture leads over time and keep your brand at the forefront of their minds. And subscription widgets, like this one, are non-intrusive and don't interrupt the browsing experience, so visitors can decide when and if they want to subscribe without feeling pressured. Pretty awesome, right? Okay, so now let me show you how you can add this to your website in just a few clicks. So click on Edit this template, customize the template to your liking, and then click on Save. From here, click on Use in Website. And as you can see here, you can choose different options, so let's click on Widget, and here just copy the code that Formula gives you and paste it to your website. And it starts to work right away. And the same process goes for adding an interactive chatbot to your website. So if you search for chatbot in the search bar of the templates gallery, and you use this one, once you've customized it to your needs, click Save and Use in Website. And now choose Chatbot. Copy and paste the code Formula gives you to your website, and that's it. If you would like to know more about chatbots and how to customize it to your specific needs, I've left a tutorial for you to check out in the top right corner of this video. Great, so that was the first way to generate leads. So now let's hop on the second way. Lead generation through engaging quizzes and quotation estimate forms. Let's go back to the templates gallery once more. And here, let's search for quiz. As you can see, there are a lot of different templates that you can choose from and start customizing to your needs. This type of interactive content offers an interactive and enjoyable experience for your users. Not only do they provide a break from traditional static content, but it also encourages active participation from your visitors, which ultimately will make it more likely for your users to stay on your website and enter their email information. But that's not it. Engaging quizzes are highly shareable. Users often share their quiz results on social media, which exposes your website and brand to a wider audience, which will potentially attract new leads. Awesome! Now let's explore quotation forms and/or estimation forms. Quotation forms allow visitors to request a quote or pricing information tailored to their specific needs. By providing them a direct and relevant way to inquire about your products or services, visitors are more likely to take action. And these types of forms often include fields that gather essential information about the potential customer, like project details, budget, and contact information. This data helps you qualify leads and tailor your response accordingly. Pretty cool, right? Now the next and final lead generation way that we're discussing in this video is to create lead magnets. Lead magnets are forms that provide discount offers or giveaways in exchange for the user's contact information and other information that you can use to segment and understand your target audience. Customize this giveaway form template and make it yours. Giveaways and discounts offer a strong incentive for visitors to provide their contact information, and people are more likely to subscribe or sign up if they see a tangible benefit in the form of a chance to win a prize or get a discounted offer. Now let's use the custom emails to email them your PDF file or discount code in a personalized and beautiful email in response to the form submission. Go to the Email Templates page from your profile menu and create a new email template. Customize the email as you wish and include the discount code in the text. When you're done, go back to your giveaway form editor, go to the Notifications tab, and enable this option to send an email to the submitter. Then select the email template that you just created instead of the default email template. If you would like to know more about lead generation, then make sure to check out this live webinar that we created in partnership with Zapier. Here we discuss lead management automation and how you can benefit most from Zapier in your lead automation processes. And that's it! Now you have a full lead generation machine that converts more visitors to leads. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formaling!